everybody, my name is Karen and I am the counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on the path to become an architect. In this workshop, I will guide you through the steps that are necessary if you are interested in a career in architecture. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with step 1, which is the most common requirement, and that is a high school diploma. Without a high school diploma, you won't be able to advance and pursue a higher education. A high school diploma will make you eligible to apply to a higher education program towards your desired degree. Architecture draws equally on both art and science, so you should have a strong background in both if you want to study architecture in college. You should consider taking courses in high school in advanced math and science, art classes, and economics, of course, if they are offered at your school. This will help you gain a better understanding of the classes you will be taking in college as well. Of course, I always encourage students to pursue AP courses or those introductory college courses after high school, because those classes will eventually transfer over as college credit once they go to college after their senior year. Let's move on to step 2, which is the bachelor's degree. You will have to get a bachelor's degree in architecture. This degree offers a broad overview of the field and will prepare you to become an accredited architect. Unlike most bachelor's degrees, which are typically obtained over a period of 4 years, a bachelor's degree in architecture will require 4 years of coursework and a 1-year internship for a total of 5 years. So that is, if you would like to become an architect, you will have to be in school for a little bit more time than if you would for a normal bachelor's degree that would normally be for 4 years. So that is, you will have to be 5 years with the internship included. Let's move on to step 3, which is the Architectural Experience Program. This is a program which, as the name says, you'll be able to gain experience as an entry-level architect. According to the National Council of Architectural Registration Boards, to earn a license and become an architect, you'll need to document real-world experience through the Architectural Experience Program. Required by most U.S. licensing boards, the AXP provides a framework to guide you through earning and reporting your professional experience. So, of course, you'll be able to gain professional experience as an architect, more specifically an entry-level architect in the AXP program. Let's move on to step 4, which is the Architect Registration Examination, also known as the ARE. After you have completed or after you have done the AXP, then you have to take an examination in order to become an official architect. According to the NCARB, this multi-division exam is designed to assess aspects of architectural practice related to health, safety, and welfare. Specifically, the ARE focuses on areas that affect the integrity, soundness, and health impact of a building, as well as an architect's responsibilities within firms, such as managing projects and coordinating the work of other professionals. That is, while you are taking the exam, you'll be able to learn about these features that are mentioned right here as well. And finally, let's move on to step 5, which is consider opportunities for advancement. If you're interested in pursuing more further education, you should advance your career in architecture by pursuing a master's degree. This can pave the way to increase earnings and high-level job opportunities not available to those only with a bachelor's degree. So that is, if you would like to pursue a more higher position in architect, then of course pursuing a master's degree is a good option. Alright, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I would like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app on the App Store or Google Play. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We will also very much appreciate it if you leave us a rating and a review on the App Store or Google Play as well. We very much appreciate all the feedback you all can give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this workshop, or if you'd like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of your questions as well. And finally, check out our Plexus YouTube page for more college readiness workshops. Our Plexus YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye!